We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear-view mirror, front bucket seats, perimeter alarm. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.